Enabling two-factor authentication on Coinbase is a crucial step in protecting your account from unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password when logging in. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to enable Coinbase two-factor authentication. First, log into your Coinbase account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on Security. In the Security settings, scroll down to the Two-Factor Authentication section. You will see options for Authenticator app, SMS, and phone call. The Authenticator app is the most secure option, and it is recommended that you use this method. Click on Set Up next to Authenticator app. You will be prompted to download an Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Auth. These apps generate a unique verification code that changes every 30 seconds. Download and install the app on your mobile device. Once you have the app installed, open it and click on the plus sign to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the Coinbase page, or enter the secret key manually. The Authenticator app will now generate a verification code. Enter the verification code into the Coinbase page to complete the setup process. You will now be required to enter this verification code every time you log into your Coinbase account. It is essential to keep your Authenticator app and Coinbase account up to date, as any changes to your account may require you to reconfigure your two-factor authentication. Additionally, make sure to save your recovery codes in a safe place. In case you lose access to your Authenticator app, enabling two-factor authentication on Coinbase is a simple and effective way to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps, you can protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure the security of your cryptocurrency holdings.